Our favorite food, 我们最喜欢的食物。There is a lot of food we can eat, such as apples, bananas, pears, carrots, onions, oranges, and so on. A lot of 许多大量也可以换成 lots of， 既可以加不可数名词，也可以加可数名词复数。Such as 比如 as 是介词，后面要加名词。And so on 等等。My father likes eating all kinds of food. He likes fish best. All kinds of 各种各样的 like something best 表示最喜欢什么什么。My mother likes vegetables best. Yesterday, she had vegetables and fruit for breakfast. I had some meat, eggs, and fruit. Had something for 加餐类名词，表示某一餐吃什么什么东西。I like fruit. Like 既可以加不可数名词，也可以像前面一样加可数名词复数。Apples are my favorite because they are very tasty and they are very healthy too. 喜欢这篇文章，记得双击两个屏幕，点亮爱心，关注小雅老师。